Greetings from Summers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. This is a brand new listing of ours. It's a Sailfish 226 dual console. It's equipped with a Mercury 200. This boat has under 16 hours. Barely used. The owner is selling it with everything that we gave him. There's a beautiful cleaning detail bucket, life preservers, everything that we gave with him comes with the boat. The motor even has the quick flush on it, so it makes it easy to maintain. Again, it's less than 16 hours, so you're getting like a brand new boat here. You have storage under here with life preservers. He's using them for life preservers. You could use it as an ice box or whatever you'd like. Same thing goes under here. This could be a molded ice box if you chose. You have a seat that folds out, as you can see. I'm going to tuck this away. And then there's a retractable ski pylon. So if you're going to pull a skier or anybody, you can pull them with that. You have a live well, freshwater shower over there, and a saltwater wash down back here in the transom. There's even a remote stereo. If you lift this panel up here, if you're out swimming about, it's not always fishing and water skiing. Sometimes you're anchored up and swimming. You don't even have to get back into the boat to change the stereo. You can do it right from back here. There's a cup holder console back in there. Also a little cooler, so you can keep about 6 beverages with ice in there. So pretty decent. Let's move forward. You have an in-floor box here. I'll open it up. You'll see them in the photos as well. Put your rods in there if you like. Boat's equipped with a Garmin and a Fusion stereo. Tilt wheel. You do have a head compartment. It is loaded with some gear. You can close this off. It's real nice. Bimini top, and in the photos you'll see there is a cockpit cover and a bow cover for this boat. Storage underneath both seats. 12-volt adapters, USB adapters throughout the boat. Of course, cup holders throughout the boat. We love our cup holders here. Anchor locker. And that's about it. Again, this is a 226 Sailfish dual console. Contact me, Jim Ferg at MarineMax. Kate's going to give you all the information. Thank you.